Good morning, sweetheart.
Good morning, sweetheart.
Wake up, it's time for school.
Wake up, it's time for school.
Let's brush our teeth together.
Brush our teeth together. I want to wear my blue dress.
I
Want to wear my blue dress.
Breakfast is ready, come and eat.
Breakfast is ready, come and eat.
Do you want milk or juice? Do you want milk or juice? Please eat your vegetables, honey. Please eat your vegetables, honey. Don't forget your backpack.
Don't forget your backpack.
Put on your shoes, we're leaving soon.
Put on your shoes, we're leaving soon.
Hold my hand, let's cross the street. Hold my hand, let's cross the street. Have a good day at school.
Have a good day at school.
I love you, see you later.
I love you, see you later.
How was your day, sweetie?
How?
Love your day, sweetie. Let's do your homework now. Do your homework now. Wash your hands before dinner. Wash your hands before dinner. Dinner is ready, let's sit down.
Dinner, let's sit down.
Can you help me set the table?
Can you help me set the table?
It's time to take a bath. It's time to take a bath. Let's read a story before bed. Let's read a story before bed. Good night, sleep tight, my love.
Good night, sleep tight, my love.